Sorry, I've moved, or removed I should say, that bolt, and that is the last bolt, and the engine is now floating. I had to delete some stuff because I ran out of storage. I've been filming too much, so I think we're going to give it a go and see if we can lift it out. Drag me jack out and the pallet. Look at, oh my god, that came down quite quick. There she is then, all taken out. Took a little bit longer than I was expecting, but it was just because I was faffing about finding bolts. But yeah, she's looking alright. Fuck me, yeah. She's out, baby. Right, that is me done, because it's almost dark, and obviously I can't really do a lot at the moment. I'm just going to put that on a pallet, cover it up with some tarp, pack all my tools away, and go and have a beer, because it's Friday. See you tomorrow.